Tesla will help you get your Cybertruck faster now, but at a cost. Friends, Tesla offered Cybertruck reservation holders a chance to expedite their delivery by participating in a referral program, and it was a smash hit, selling out within hours. This suggests that Tesla is on track to deliver more trucks this year than previously anticipated. In this report, I'm going to help you to understand how now Tesla will help to expedite Cybertruck delivery to new owners. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Arya from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please select this story and give us thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Tesla has offered Cybertruck reservation holders to accelerate their delivery through an award in its referral program. It's sold out in hours. If you know someone who is a Cybertruck or a reservation holder, please send this report to them. They will be very happy to hear about this. Cybertruck deliveries have seemingly been accelerating lately, as I pointed some images today from Joe Techmeyer that showed more Cybertrucks on the Tesla Texas outbound parking lot. But the production is still kind of limited. Tesla is believed to have around 2 million reservations for Cybertruck, for its electric pickup truck. However, those reservations are not necessarily representative of the demand, as they require only a $100 refundable deposit, and Cybertruck's specs and pricings have changed significantly with the production version. The company needed to convert those reservations into orders, and it has been successful doing so far. Last month, Tesla said that it had almost sold out all its orders slot for the entire year. Now, last night, it offered the opportunity to further accelerate Cybertruck delivery. Tesla updated its referral program award with a new award, Accelerate Your Cybertruck Delivery Program. It said, redeem referral credits to accelerate your Cybertruck delivery. Be invited to configure and take delivery of your Foundation Series all-wheel drive or Cyber Beast within 45 days of redemption. If you miss your chance to claim, check back later additional accelerated deliveries. Now, I don't buy the sold-out narrative kind of. What do you think? Buyers on Tesla Motors Club forums are reporting August delivery for orders placed the last couple days, within hours to accelerate to April, this despite extremely limited production. Anyway, the award cost 30,000 credits, which is the equivalent of referring 3 new Tesla car purchases or 30 demo drivers. This is why Tesla will help you get your Cybertruck faster, but it will come at a cost. Within hours, the new award was sold out, though. It's not clear how many people were able to accelerate their deliveries, but it looks like Tesla is saying that it will offer it again. Why not offering it if it was successful? Several Cybertruck reservation holders were invited to configure, but they don't have a clear delivery date yet. Tesla is currently not reporting its quarterly Cybertruck deliveries. Are you a reservation holder? Please tell us in the comment section if you have any experience with all of this that I just told you in this report. This is Armen Arya from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up and sharing your social media. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. And also visit us at TorqueNews.com for daily Tesla, EV, and automotive news. See you soon in our next report.